Hey Sugar Geeks, Liz here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing crystal gummies. They're soft and gummy on the inside, but they develop a crisp, crunchy crust on the outside. Coming up next on the Sugar Geek Show. Alright, so go ahead and place your cool water into a medium-sized saucepan. Sprinkle the Agar Agar powder over the water and let it absorb for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 2 to 3 minutes and stirring constantly with a spatula to prevent burning. I've got my heat on about medium-high, just until it starts to simmer. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Remove from the heat and add in your candy flavoring and citric acid. You can use whatever flavoring you like. Pour the mixture into a heat-proof glass dish that has been lightly oiled to prevent sticking. Now we're going to add just a few drops of liquid food coloring. Don't add too much. A little bit goes a long way. You can swirl it to just have a little bit of color going through your crystals, or you can fully blend it if you want. Place the container into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours until it's set. All right, so it's been a few hours. It's very firm. Sticky though, very sticky. Stickier than I was thinking it was going to be. Looks really pretty though. All right, so I'm gonna remove this from the mold. We're just going to cut. Ooh, it cuts really easily. That. And then I'm going to shape these guys into little crystal shards. I like it. Place the crystal gummies onto a parchment covered cookie sheet and let them dry at room temperature for 2 to 3 days until a hard crystal crust forms on the outside. I kept a lot of them pretty big, and then I also saved all my little cutoffs and put those on a sheet pan to dry as well, and I didn't waste anything. So I had some larger crystals and some smaller crystals. You can also make your crystals a little bit thinner, so you have some long skinny ones. And at first they're really see-through and transparent, but as they dry out they start getting a little bit more opaque. Okay, so these crystals have been drying overnight and they're getting nice and crunchy and sparkly, beautiful. And they're going to continue to dry. You can see they're starting to develop like this crust if I squeeze them. So I'm just going to take some of my gold mixed with some Everclear, and I'm just going to brush a few of the edges with a little bit of gold. These crystal gummies will last at room temperature for about a week before they start getting too hard. So that's how you make crystal gummies. Make them opaque, make them see-through, switch up the colors, make them your own. I can't wait to see what beautiful gummies you guys make. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!